Welcome to Weld.com. We have done, it's kind of a two-part series here. We did a 6-inch Schedule 40 pipe downhill route, of which we x-rayed and reviewed it with the NDT instructor. And I want to do the same thing on a piece of 3/8 plate, except I just want to do a simple bend test, all of them to the roots, because this is all about comments that have come back on Facebook and some of our videos on YouTube, and people are saying, man, you don't ever weld downhill. Never, ever. Don't weld downhill. You know, I got to disagree with that, and I'm sorry, but uphill, downhill, we do it all. I mean, there's all kinds of procedures out there. If there's no downhill welding, then you better fire all these guys out here on pipelines and stuff, because a lot of their procedures are downhill. Sorry, it's just the way it is. It's hot, fast, it's x-rayed, it's all good. So we're just playing around. We're doing this two-part series. Again, I want to do this on 3/8 plate, blow a root in here, hot pass, filling caps. I'll just do that off camera, and then I'll prep some coupons because we want to quickly bend these and see if this root holds up to a bend test. We've already done an x-ray and it passed. Now we want to do a bend test. So I'm gonna get my gear on. I'm gonna be using an Arc 1 Tradesman Auto Dark in my pipeliner hood. I do have the other big hood around here. Iron Cat gloves. I really like this iron gel on my guard hand. It is so sweet. Big old long Beyond gauntlet sucker. It's like a glove on steroids. I love it. I'm gonna get an Iron Cat jacket on too, so I don't burn my favorite golfing shirt up. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna run off of a Renegade. I've got 85 amps. 1/8 inch 6010, that's what it smells like anyway. I've got my dig, my crisp setting at about 50%. Strike an arc up on top. I'm gonna rake this root in here. Camera guy's gonna zoom in on it. You better get a filter on there, old buddy. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna run a hot pass here. I'm gonna have the camera guy get this backside to show you how red hot this thing's gonna get. I'm gonna run a 1/8 inch hot pass, 6010, 110 amps. All right, I'm gonna go off camera, clean all this up, come back and put a filling cap in it, and then we're gonna go cut coupons and prep them. We're done. I have labored to produce a couple of coupons to bend to the root side. Plate got a little short, but I could probably cut more. A couple of them out of there at least. In any event, 1.5 inches. I went ahead and went full 1.5 inches. And we're gonna bend these to the root side. So we have Mr. Fisher here. He's ready to go, plugged in with air. Let us pray. And we'll do another one here. So here's the bend test, and you know, again, it passes. So, you know, all this controversy about downhill stuff not holding up. You know, we've done X-ray, we've done bend tests. In any event, you know, we like to test procedures. We like to cut and etch things, bend things. We like to X-ray things, obviously. So I hope this helps. I hope it was educational. If you have questions and concerns, you want to contact us. If we can help out in any way, please let us know. I want to give a shout out to Arc One Tradesman for my pipeliner hood. I still like wearing the Big Vision, but I like it when I'm TIG welding and my MIG welding. Iron Cat gloves, really fell in love with this big old aerogel rascal over here. That's been real good for me. I got to give a shout out to Walter. This excavator 1/4-inch disc that I took this weld stock off. I think this grinding disc is on steroids because it just eats that stuff right off of there quickly. And I was actually to cut, I laid it down and got a pretty good finish, and then I went in with the flapper wheel and kind of polished, and quick work of it. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the videos. Thanks for watching Weld.com. Bob Moffett with Cali College.